Baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another DIY to share with you. Today's DIY, I'm calling it another labor of love DIY. I'll be doing these two DIYs for someone that's very special. She has a birthday coming up, and I'm just making these two items to share with her. One of them is going to be a jewelry box or keepsake box, and the next one is an oldie but a goodie. It's our tissue box. Alright, let's get into the items that I'll be using. Okay, this is our little box here, which I got from Dollarama. It's a cute little box. And we have some gems here that you can get from Walmart. And we have these pretty beads here, gold beads from the Dollar Tree. And we have our tissue box from Dollarama. And we have our silver bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And our mirrored sheets from Amazon. And some spray metallic paint from Walmart. And we have some E6000, our tools, and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright everyone, we have our container here. And I was going to use the silver bling wrap, but I changed my mind. I'll be using the gold bling wrap, which is also from Totally Dazzled. So I'm just going to wrap it all the way around the box. Just bling out the box with our gold bling wrap.
Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. You real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give him me. Cause I'm waving. You know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. Yeah, I'm waving. Ooh, you know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby, waving. I'm waving. Ooh, you know I'm waving, baby. Yeah, waving. Ooh, you know I'm waving, baby. I'm waving, baby. I'm waving, baby, waving. Yeah, just tell me when the lights go down. Yeah, now I'm making my moves. Yeah. Ooh, you know I'm. Yeah. Just tell me when the lights.
Now that we've blinged out our box, we're going to add some silver pieces to the sides of our box going down. And now we'll be adding some silver strips along the top part of our box also.
Baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
And now for our tissue box or Kleenex box, I spray painted it silver, and we're going to use the silver bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, and just bling out our Kleenex box going all the way around.
Need somebody that's gonna be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. That's me, you know I'm waving. Yeah, I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. You know I'm waving.
And now we're just going to add some gems to the top part of our Kleenex box.
I'm waving. You know I wave, baby. Wave, you know I waving. Ooh, you know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby, waving. When the summer comes around, you know he should be. When the summer comes around, yeah, he should be around you. Yeah, he should be.
And here they are, you guys, all blinged out and nice. One in silver, one in gold. I think they both look very nice. Now they look very nice, all blinged out. My labor of love that I created for someone very special. for her birthday. I like how the Kleenex box turned out with the gems all along the top. And within our little jewelry box, I put a strip of the silver going along the back. Hope you guys can see that. See the silver bling going inside just at the back. Looks very nice. I like how it turned out. Alright everyone, don't forget to like, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me what you think about these. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.